Let's go to the POS configuration. First, click on POS options, then click on POS configuration. Here, we can register a new POS or edit the settings of an existing POS. We can change the POS name, the print name, the language of the POS, the type of printer the POS uses, the platform, the opening and closing times, change the zone, and the ticket messages. For user options, we can change the password, add a telephone number, and select groups of checks to activate or deactivate based on user permissions. These include park conversion, allowing VIP tickets, allowing teaser bets, enabling if conditions, and allowing round-robin bets. The last options are primarily for POS functionality. These include activating the POS, activating the user, reprinting tickets, printing lines, showing balances, canceling tickets by serial number, early cashing out, and enabling single parlay props only. When we finish to setting all, we just click and register to pass to configure the limits of the POS.